What a pump! Do you know what is the one stock right now that is lifting the entire market, including Bitcoin and cryptos? Yes, you heard right. There's this one stock right now that is supporting the entire crypto Bitcoin market and the entire stock market of the United States and maybe even around the world. Do you know what it is?
Well, what's the one stock that can lift both crypto and the stock market? Well, as we know, crypto is kind of related to the NASDAQ or the tech stocks, right? So, which means if the tech stocks pump, right, cryptos tend to do well. Not always. The correlation has gone down a little bit lately, but usually you don't want the tech stocks to crash. If they do, then watch out below for Bitcoin and crypto. And there's this one stock that's been pumping everything right now. Do you know what it is? This stock I'm talking about is about to report earnings for the last quarter. And the last time it did this, it basically separated the entire world stock market. Okay, have a look at this. Yellow line is the rest of the world stock market outside of the United States, like Europe, China, everything else. The blue line, the United States. Do you see how that before it reported earnings back on May 24th, the world and the United States, right, stocks were traveling together, right, traveling together. And then on May 24th, last time, when this company reported its earnings, basically they got separated. United States took off due to this new AI wave, right? The AI Magnificent Seven. Seven stocks held up the entire US stock market. And the rest of the world kind of went sideways. This stock is so important as it reports earnings that when it does, it separates the world, the rest of the world from the United States. And it can lift crypto and Bitcoin as well. So of course, the stock I'm talking about is NVIDIA, right? And it soared 9% again today because its earnings and forward guidance are a blowout, right? It's surprising the market even on their most wildest bullish forecasts. But what does this mean for the overall stock market going forward? Well, as I had predicted, that 400 level is crucial for NVIDIA to protect, right? My instinct is one more leg up, right? Blow off top to pump after this pullback in QQQ, which is the NASDAQ ETF. And that'll probably be the final top we'll see in the next few months. And indeed, that's exactly what we saw with the pullback recently in NVIDIA. Hits 403 slightly, about $3, slightly above my target, and makes this massive 20% bounce within about 4 days. But overall though, so far this year, see of the NASDAQ 100, which has gone up 36%, 22 or 2/3 of that came from just 5 stocks. And of those 5 stocks, NVIDIA made the most contribution out of all of them. So in a few months' time, when reality catches up with these high-flying AI stocks, what's going to happen? They're all going to go down.